Creating a safe space in your marriage is not just desirable, it's essential. Do you ever feel that tight knot of anxiety at home where expressing your true feelings seems daunting or risky? You're not alone. Many couples struggle to find that atmosphere of safety where both partners feel truly heard, valued, and protected from judgment and emotional harm. How can we use biblical principles to build this environment of safety? In this guide, we'll explore practical steps and biblical insights to help you transform your relationship into a sanctuary of trust, openness, and deep connection. Let's start building that safe space together. Introduction. Welcome to our guide on creating a safe space in your marriage. Whether you're newlyweds or have been together for decades, fostering a safe and nurturing environment where vulnerability is welcomed and differences are respected is key to a lasting and fulfilling relationship. In this article, we'll explore practical steps and biblical insights to help you build trust, improve communication, and deepen intimacy with your spouse. Building a safe space is a continuous process that requires dedication and consistency. Why is creating a safe space important in your marriage? A safe space in your marriage acts like a secure foundation for a home. It's essential for the structure's stability and longevity. Such an environment allows both partners to express their thoughts, feelings, and needs openly and without fear of judgment, ridicule, or dismissal. This openness and the vulnerability it encourages is crucial for understanding each other better, navigating life's challenges together, fostering a deeper emotional connection, and building trust. How to create a safe space in your marriage. Now that we've highlighted the importance of creating a safe space in your marriage, let's dive into the practical steps to establish this nurturing environment. Each step is designed to strengthen your relationship, enhance communication, and deepen your connection, ensuring that both partners feel secure and valued. Follow these guidelines to transform your marriage into the safe haven it should be. Step 1. Commit to creating a safe space in your marriage. The journey to a safe marriage begins with a commitment from both partners. It requires an agreement to prioritize emotional well-being and mutual respect. Take some time to reflect on what a safe space means in your relationship and how dedicated you are to achieving it. Ephesians 4:2-3 ESV. With all humility and gentleness, with patience, bearing with one another in love, eager to maintain the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace. Step 2. Invite divine guidance through prayer. Prayer is a powerful tool in nurturing a safe space. Ask for divine wisdom, patience, and understanding. Praying together can strengthen your bond and ensure that your actions and decisions are guided by love and respect. James 1:5 ESV. If any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask God, who gives generously to all without reproach, and it will be given him. Step 3. Enhance communication skills. Effective communication is the cornerstone of creating a safe space in your marriage. It involves clear expression and empathetic listening, especially during disagreements. Discuss barriers to effective communication in your relationship and ways to overcome them. Colossians 4:6 ESV. Let your speech always be gracious, seasoned with salt, so that you may know how you ought to answer each person. Step 4. Foster continual learning and growth. A safe marriage thrives on continuous personal and mutual growth. Engage in activities that enhance your understanding of each other and your relationship dynamics. Identify areas needing improvement and commit to learning together. Proverbs 4:7 NIV. The beginning of wisdom is this: get wisdom. Though it cost all you have, get understanding. Step 5. Identify and remove obstacles. Identify both internal and external obstacles that can impede the creation of a safe space in your marriage, such as negative habits or external stressors. Work together to overcome these challenges to maintain a nurturing environment. Hebrews 12:1 ESV. Therefore, since we are surrounded by such a great cloud of witnesses, let us throw off everything that hinders and the sin that so easily entangles, and let us run with perseverance the race marked out for us.
Stay tuned. We have more valuable insights and practical tips on creating a stronger, more fulfilling marriage coming your way. Are you and your spouse ready to deepen the trust and connection in your marriage? Enroll in our Marriage Replenishment Express, Creating a Safe Space in Your Marriage course today. This course is designed to help you establish a foundation where you and your spouse both feel heard, understood, and appreciated in a safe and secure environment. Through our guided exercises, biblical insights, and practical steps, you'll learn to remove barriers to intimacy, enhance communication, and cultivate a loving environment that lasts. Experience a renewed sense of closeness as you both journey towards creating the safe space every marriage deserves. Click the link in the description of this video and begin the rewarding journey of creating a safe space in your marriage.
Conclusion: reaffirm your commitment and set goals. As you conclude this exercise, reaffirm your commitment to each other and set specific goals to implement the discussed steps. Regular check-ins can help maintain your focus and celebrate progress, ensuring that your marriage remains a priority. Start today. Set a time this week to begin implementing these steps. Visit our website for more resources or join our community on the Color of Marriage YouTube channel for ongoing support and inspiration. Final thoughts. Remember, creating a safe space in your marriage is a journey that requires patience, dedication, and love. With the right tools and commitment, you can build a relationship where both partners feel truly safe, understood, and cherished.
Well, that's all for this video, but your journey to a stronger marriage doesn't have to end here. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and share it with other couples who might benefit. Ready to dive deeper? Consider enrolling in our Marriage Replenishment Express, Creating a Safe Space in Your Marriage course. Click the link in the description below to learn more and get started today. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your marriage into the thriving partnership you both deserve. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights.